That's an amazing egg.
Cool. What's in it?
Open. What is it? They're car parts. What shall we make today?
Big.
I'm so looking for a treat. Me too. Good job.
Wow, it's big.
What's next? It's a fun assembly time. Yahoo! That sounds fun. It's fantastic. Nice. I like it. Awesome. Hola. What is it?
Wow, it's very good.
It's almost finished. Is it the last step? Yes. Great! I'm so funny.
Cool.
Good job. It's a train. Hooray!
Where are you going?
Follow me. Yahoo!
What will happen?
Red, strawberry. Orange, orange. Yellow, green. Green, watermelon. Purple, grapes. Alright! Bye-bye. Wow! What's that? What's in it? I'm so funny! Wow! Let's start! Go! Awesome! Oh, yes! What's next? Exactly! Whoa! Good job!
Cool.
Hey ho! Hola! Okay. Wow, it's nice. It's pickup truck. It looks good. Perfect. Alright. Bye-bye. Oh,
Wow, it's nice slide.
I'm so looking for tree.
Me too.
Yay! Hi.
I'll go first.
Yahoo! Hello. What? Oh no! What are you doing? Oh my god! Oops! It has disappeared. Who's next? Me. Hooray! Hey, you! Huh? Get out of here! Don't do that. No! Oh no!
Where are you?
It's my turn. Go for it. I can do it.
Are you ready?
Good. I know. Ouch! No way. Who's next? I'll try. I can do it. Huh? Are you sure? Get away! Bye-bye. Phew! Don't do it again. What? Oh no! Oh. Hey! It's my turn.
Go!
Hey, friend! Get out of here. I'm angry. Stop it! Huh? No. Oh no! Oops!
Oh, where are you going? Wow, it's amazing.